Subscribe to DV Studio channel and press the bell icon to get the latest videos first. Hello there, this is Dipanshu. If you want to stop your Windows 10 update, then by this method you can stop your Windows 10 updates in 99% cases. In 1% cases, Windows will forcefully automatically update your system. You cannot do nothing about this. Let's go to Wi-Fi icon, then left click, then go to the properties of the connected Wi-Fi network. Click. This will open this properties dialog box. Scroll down. You can see here the heading metered connection. Metered connection is the connection which limits all your data, which helps us in saving our data. If you don't have the unlimited Wi-Fi connection, then you can see here set as metered connection. I have already set it to on. You have to switch it on. Then it just limit all your data and stop in 99% cases your Windows updates. You have to do this method for every time you connect a new network to your laptop. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, hit like button. You can subscribe to my channel DV Studio and press bell icon to get the latest videos first.